My name's Aubrey Van Leyen. I'm the 4th generation here at Walnutdale Farms, located in Wayland, Michigan. Our farm has been around for around 85 years. I farm alongside with my dad and my brother. We milk 3,500 cows on 2 locations, and we also raise all of our own replacements. So we're feeding around another 2,500, 3,000 head of heifers, and also raise and finish out all of our dairy beef crosses. So as we continue to grow our herd, milking more cows, we continue to look at the way that we fed cows. We had 2 mixer trucks that the driver would have to get out of the truck and load with a loader, following the ration and TMR tracker, and then go deliver that feed. We feed cattle within a 10 to 12 mile radius from our farm, and so it was taking us a really long time. So we would start feeding at, say, 1 a.m. and not get done until 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And we just saw that as one area of our dairy that we have to figure out how we can get this more efficient. And so as we started to look through our options, we were kind of drawn to the system with Trioliet because we can have a guy that sits here and continues to mix feed, and a truck just rolls in, unloads the load, and away they go. And so feed is continually being made and mixed, which helps us to not only be more efficient, cutting down our hours of feeding cows from now we're at 3:30 in the morning and we're done by 11 a.m. So we've really taken that way down, but that's also, good for, efficiencies in fuel costs and trucks on the road and wear, but also for our cows and staying on time, delivering the feed to the pens every day, which in turn just increases our milk production and the care that we can give our cattle. As we installed this and started into the whole system, there was some learning that obviously we had to do here at our farm, but it was very nice that Trioliet was there to walk us through how to start this up and also be able to be there, on a daily basis with phone calls, questions, and just working out those bugs that as you start any new system, they kind of pop in. But the support and the people that are in place to kind of walk alongside you and help get all that figured out and get things ironed out, and so things just keep moving along smoothly. The system has been really great in the aspect of it's such a modern technology way to feed things. That we can get into these systems from other computers. So if my guys have issues, I don't have to be on the dairy. I could be in Florida or in another state or somewhere, and I can get in there and make the adjustments I need to make or help them work through a problem. And that's also what makes it nice with the support in the Netherlands. They can still get in here and see what's going on. So you're never alone and can get into the system as you need to.